Networking cables. Let us start the discussion about network cables. Networking cables are physical, long and thin in shape, with round diameter networking hardware used to connect one network device to other network devices. It is commonly used to connect two or more computers in a network to share its resources, printers, and etc. Networking cables are a type of networking hardware used to connect a network device to one or more other network devices, or to connect two or more devices to a single computer or network devices. There are four types of network cabling. Let us discuss those one by one. Coaxial cable. If we closely observe the coaxial cables, then we will observe a single copper conductor at the center of it, where a plastic layer provides insulation between the center copper wire and the copper mesh shield, which is further protected by outside insulation. The mechanism of coaxial cabling helps to eliminate signal obstruction, but it is a complex process to install. It can cover long cable distance between network devices. There are two types of coaxial cables. One is thick coaxial cable and the other is thin coaxial cable. Fiber optic cable. Let us discuss about fiber optic cables. It is also known as an optical fiber cable. It contains one or more optical fibers that are used to carry light, and it possesses a center glass core surrounded by multiple layers of protective materials. This mechanism avoids electrical obstruction because instead of passing electronic signals, optical fiber cable transmit data as pulse of light through flexible optically pure fiber of glass or plastic, and this makes the process fast data transmission speeds over long distance. Shielded twisted pair STP cable. Let us discuss about the shielded twisted pair cable. It is a special kind of copper local area network wiring, and it is commonly used in small network setup. Two insulated copper wires are twisted around each other to reduce electromagnetic induction between pairs of wire. That is why it is known as twisted pair. Unshielded twisted pair cable. Now let us discuss about the unshielded twisted pair cable UTP. That cables are mostly used for LAN, that is local area network setup, with limited area coverage, having some computers, printer and other devices connected together in order to share resources among them. These cables consisting of 4 or 8 thin copper wire insulated with plastic cover, having separate colors of plastic coated copper wire inside it. In this cabling, two copper wire of a single circuit are twisted together for the purpose of improving electromagnetic compatibility.